So Unit 10, Lesson 1, we're now given the equation of a circle. We want to find the center and the radius of each circle and graph the circle on the coordinate plane. So again, we're going to look at these equations. We want to take the opposite sign of what we see inside those parentheses to get our center. So 3, 2, again, opposite signs. And we know that this here is r squared. So the radius will be the square root of 25, which is 5. So we're going to go on our coordinate plane. We're going to put our center. All right, and we're going to count 5 in each direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once I've counted 5 in each direction, I can use my compass to make the circle so it comes out really nice. I don't have a compass tool on my Word, so it's not going to look as great. Okay, kind of rough right there. And so we're going to do the same process for the next example. We want to look at the equation and take the opposite sign of what we see there. So our center will be 4, -7. Our radius, again, this is r squared. So we're going to take the square root of 9, which is 3. And we're going to plot our center on our axes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, -7. And I'm going to count 3 units in each direction. And then I'm going to connect them. Again, I would use your compass to make a really nice circle. I don't have that available to me right now. So we're going to go on to the next. Okay, so again, we're going to look at these coordinates here. Notice there's nothing being subtracted from the y. So if there's nothing being subtracted, that is 0. So opposite is -3/2, 0. Our radius, this is our radius squared, will be the square root of 36, which is 6. So I'm on the x-axis. I'm going to go to -1.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to count 6 in each direction. So again, once you've counted 6 in each direction, connect them as best you can. It's a little bit off there. So let's fix that. So for our last example, again, we're going to take the opposite sign. Is -6, 2. This is our radius squared, so our radius is the square root of 4, which is 2. So again, we'll plot that center. We'll count 2 units in each direction, and we will 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 connect them in as perfect a circle as we can get. Again, you'll have a compass at your disposal to make it a really good circle.